The internship experience and program here is really robust. It's intentional with not only the projects that we're doing or assigned, but the different types of programming.
There's a lot of structure. It was really cool to see how I've developed professionally from the beginning of the internship to where I am now.
I'm a biomedical engineering student, and so the hands-on engineering was something that was interesting to me. So I had the opportunity to see how my degree can be applied in the real world.
I feel like I have a greater understanding of what the biotech industry does and how each department plays a role in getting a new drug out into the market.
I started the internship because I'm here for the science, and the different chemistries that I learned have been most memorable. I've learned a lot of new synthetic techniques and different organic reactions.
I think this internship has been helpful to teach me the professional ways to communicate scientific ideas and also participate in scientific dialogue with colleagues. But at the same time, inside the lab, I've been challenged with new techniques and getting to learn more of the technical skills that go on in discovery biology.
I think that this internship has just taught me the importance, especially as a clinical operations intern, of cross-functional collaboration within the company. I've attended so many different meetings with various different departments, and it's just shown me how a well-run biopharma company operates.
As young professionals wanting to get experience on real and meaningful work, it's been really impactful, and I think it will impact and influence my career for many years.